Hey, what's up guys? This is Brian once again. I'm out on the road again, and today we're here at a very special location. The place's name is Croton Gorge Dam. Right behind me, that's a huge dam, roughly 200 feet if I remember correctly, and this whole area is like a 97-acre park. And as you can see, the water is spilling out of the outlets over there. It's a massive thing. And right behind me, beneath this dam, there's a huge lake, a beautiful lake. It's the Croton Lake, I believe, if I'm not wrong. It's part of the Croton River that meets the Hudson River. And initially, this was part of the supply for New York's water supply. And by the way, this is the new dam. And there used to be an old one, but you know, like once the city started developing and everything, this thing developed to a newer one, a bigger one. So stay tuned guys, and I'm really kind of like excited and scared at the same time, because right behind me there's a huge lake. It's a huge water body, and I'm standing right here at the bottom, at the very foot of the dam. Stay tuned guys. So this is actually the entrance. You enter the park from this route, and you go all the way down to the left, and you take the right. That's where the parking area is. And from here, like once you enter this place, this zone, you're welcomed with this awesome view of Croton Dam. And the water flows through here like a stream. I would say maybe this is Croton Stream. But yeah, that's where it goes, all the way to the Hudson River. Sheer power of the Croton Dam. Look at the flow of water. And it's a beautiful rainbow forming. Very nice. So we're stopping for the first break of the journey. Croton Dam was damn good. It was really nice. We're here at Tarrytown Lighthouse, the Sleepy Hollow Lighthouse once again. Right up there. And in the background you can see the Tappan Zee Bridge. So let's head out, check out the place.